Hey there! In this episode of Analytics Academy, I'm going to show you how you can use a tool called Attributor to capture lead source data in Sugar CRM so that you can properly track where your leads and customers are coming from. Let's jump in. Attributor is a small bit of code you add to your website. When a visitor lands on your site, it detects where they came from and saves the data in a cookie. Then when they complete a form on your website, it writes the data into hidden fields in the form, and the data is captured by your form tool and can be sent to your CRM and other tools. Finally, you can use this data to run reports that show things like how many leads you got from your Google ads, how many customers you got from your Facebook ads, or how much revenue was generated from your SEO efforts. Now that you understand how it works, let's see how easy it is to set up. When you sign up for a free trial, you'll get given a bit of code to add to your website. Depending on what website builder you're using, you should just be able to copy it, go to the settings section, and paste it in. You can also use tools like Google Tag Manager to add it in as well. Now go to the tool you use to power the lead capture forms on your site. We use Gravity Forms ourselves, but the process is similar for Wix Forms, Typeform, Webflow Forms, and more. Start by dragging and dropping 6 hidden fields to the bottom of your form. Once added, open up each of these form fields and give it a name and a default value. That's it, you're done. Now when someone completes a form on your website, Attributor will write information on where they came from into these hidden fields, and it will be captured by your form tool. You can then send it into Sugar CRM, store it in a spreadsheet, see it in your email notifications, whatever else you need. To learn more and start a free trial, visit attributor.io today.